Hey you, thanks for visiting my living room again. Angela from Create It, and I hope you are doing well during this time. And if not, just remember how truly special, rare, and loved that you are. Let me teach you how to do the single crochet two stitches together. This is a very simple decreasing stitch in crocheting, and I also have a how to double crochet two stitches together, which I'll put a link in the tutorial down below for you. I want you to come have a seat on my couch, grab your crochet hook, and let me show you how to do this. All right, so I have my sample swatch here, and this is all in single crochet, and I went ahead and single crocheted two stitches already. So to single crochet two stitches together, you would just locate the next two stitches that you want to decrease, and then you would go in that first stitch and work as if you're going to do a single crochet. But instead of that last step where you would yarn over and pull through those two loops, you're going to stop just short of that last step. Then you're going to go into your next stitch and work the single crochet. And now you would have 3 loops on your hook. So at this point, your last move would be to yarn over and then go ahead and pull through all 3 loops. And that right there is a single crochet 2 stitches together. And you can see how those 2 stitches kind of angle to the side and they become one. So let me go ahead and just regularly single crochet a stitch. And then I will do that one more time just so you can kind of get the hang of it. Okay, so locate the next 2 stitches you want to decrease. Go in that first one, work it as if to single crochet. Stop right there, and then go into your next stitch. Okay, pull that through. 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3 stitches. And there you have another single crochet 2 together. Okay, so that is all there is to single crocheting 2 stitches together. I hope this was super helpful for you and you're able to apply it to a pattern you're working on. If you have any questions, again, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you. So thanks for stopping by, and until next time, I'll see you later.